The Letters feature in Agency to Go is designed to simplify your client correspondence. In this tutorial, we will cover how to access client and agency letters, both historical and new, and the output options available. Continue on to the subsequent letter videos for more advanced features. We will begin by selecting a client and choosing Letters in the Client navigation pane. In the Letters window, you will see any past letters you have saved to this client, and from here you can view the letter, reprint it, or email it to the client. Let's write a new letter to this client by clicking New. Here in the document window, we could either begin to write a letter manually, or we can select from our pre-written templates by clicking the Open Template button. We will choose the birthday template and click OK, which will bring that template into the document pre-merged with the client's data. On the right side of the document, I have an option to insert images. The images available are either agency-wide images or images attached to the client file. If the image desired is not yet attached, first highlight the area to store the image, then drop the file to the Upload a File To button. If the file is available, like my signature for instance, place your cursor at the desired placement in your document, select the image in the list, then click Insert. Once the letter is the way you want it, you are ready to issue it. If you click Print under the File menu, you will get a preview of the letter and can print from this screen. You may need to remove URL headers and footers by clicking More Settings and unchecking that option. This option should remain unchecked for subsequent letters. If you wish to save this letter to your local file system, you can choose Save as PDF from the printer selection, then name and save the file. To send this letter in email form, you can click the Email Doc to Client button. But you may first wish to confirm that the email on the client is the desired recipient. Clicking OK saves the letter, and you can return to it to send once you have confirmed the correct email address. Our next video will cover the batch letter functionality.